Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Namal Fashion. How are you all? I hope you are all fine, doing well and best condition of health. So in this video, so stylish and latest leather outfits, new designs, new ideas for 2023-2024, new collection of ladies and women's. I hope you like it. Different type of leather, overall ideas, latest and very stylish, stunning of leather outfits. Leather fashion is all about incorporating leather materials into clothing and accessories to create stylish and edgy looks. Leather jackets, pants, skirts and boots are popular choices for a cool and rebellious vibe. You can also find leather handbags, belt and even jewelry to add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Leather fashion can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. It's a timeless trend that adds a touch of attitude to your wardrobe. I hope like my video. New designs, new ideas, new collection of leather fashion, leather outfits for 2023-2024. I hope like it. Leather fashion is very popular. New collection, new designs, new ideas for 2023. I hope like it. It's new my channel. Please request you subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video and share my video all family members and friends. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye, see you soon.